Yo, hey, what's good with y'all, YouTube? I'm in the range, man, as y'all can see. This yo, bruh. Sweet. I got nighttime POV for y'all. If y'all can really hear me, nighttime POV, you know what I'm saying? And it's raining outside, too. I'm recording on my phone. Stop playing with your boy, man. Stop playing with your boy, man. Y'all already know. This junk sweet, though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This junk like that. And it sound good. Everything. This junk. Man, what? Definitely gotta record for y'all. Y'all already know I gotta record for y'all. Nighttime POV. Man, wait till I get my little GoPro, bro. That jumps, man. I need that jump. Y'all let me know. Should I make a car channel or nah? Don't even. I think I should though, bro. I think I definitely should make a little car channel. I ain't even going that fast on this road because it's jump narrow and it's raining. I'm chilling right now. That big nah, I'm really chilling though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got a little nighttime POV for y'all. Hold up, Charlie. Hold up, Charlie. Motherfucking endless box. Put the bench truck inside the garage for you. The garage for you. And I put the bench truck inside the garage for you. Yeah, bro. As y'all can see the tire pressure level, need brakes, all that, bro. A whole bunch of stuff, dude. Whole bunch. Got this nighttime POV for y'all though. Know we had to do that. Little nighttime drive, cruising. Y'all already know. Y'all get the first person like view. Y'all see everything. Y'all see everything. Get the first person POV. Big Steph live in the flesh. Nah, this so sweet though. Put the bench truck inside the garage for you. The garage for you. Y'all let me know how y'all like it. Y'all let me know if I should. Comment down below if I should make a car channel or nah. I ain't even got my first car yet. Like, this ain't even mine. But still, I still want to do videos in this jump and all that. So yeah, but definitely when I get my first car, that junk will be a Hellcat for sure, bro. A red eye. Or it might be a 392. I don't really know. I don't know. I gotta see. Bro, we was at the casino. My bad if I'm robbing y'all up and we ain't even going away. We was at the casino, right? Bro, I'm putting max bet. We ran it up like $500, $800, $700, $900. Bro, ran it up, bro. And it lost it all, fool. Like, lost it all. How the fuck? Y'all explain to me, how the fuck do we do that? How do we do that, bro? Like, I was in the moment, bro. And I let my mother go ahead and use, bro. I let my mother use the ticket. And now she ran it up. I said, all right, back. Keep running it up. Like, we about to get a bang off this machine. Bro, we was playing a slot machine, bro. Man, money gone, man. I left with $50, bro. I ran it up like 900, bro. That was the highest we got, like 900 something. Man, we gave it right back. But we know how to do it next time, so it ain't really like, we know what we doing next time. So we good, and like, yeah, we good. good. Next time they holding our money, they got it for us. They hold it for us. But yeah, let me let y'all go and enjoy this POV, man. Y'all just enjoy this. Put the bitch, check it, sad to get right for you. No rush, I ain't in no hurry. Put the bench truck aside the garage for you. Bro, this the SBR Range, bro. I ain't even know Range had a sports edition. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, this joint's sweet, bro. It remind me of a baby Trackhawk, like for real. Remind me of a baby Trackhawk. Bro, I watched the Trackhawk videos today. Trackhawk, police pulled over a Trackhawk. Bro, that nigga was gone, bro. Let me know if y'all seen it. He had like a demon hood, all black. Police pulled him over. Bro, that nigga gone. Man, what? Bro, that joke was gone. Then I seen the Durango did the same thing, man. That's crazy, bro. Crazy. Oh yeah, my fault, y'all. I don't got on my seatbelt, which is not a good influence. My bad, y'all. I'm gonna put it on when I get to my stop. I gotta get gas. I gotta put air in the tire and all that stuff. And then yeah, I know it's not on E, but I just like to fill that joint out while I'm driving that joint, you know. Put some air in the tire, and yeah. First car. Just wait. Y'all don't even know, bro. But what's the one thing, bro? Like, I'm not even worried about it, bro. But it's been like a lot of carjackings, and like, I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. I really can't say. Cause something that I worked so hard for to get, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It might sound crazy, but bro, like, you might gotta do that to me, bro. Like, I done worked this hard for it. Like, come on, bro. Like, I ain't like, come on. I done worked this hard for something, and you gonna come and take that jump easily. I don't want to say my pride too high, but bro, like, come on, bro. Like, you might just, if you catch me, you get me. You got me. Especially if I don't got nothing on me. Shit, you might as well go ahead. Get me up out of here. But boy, if I got something with me, man, what? You gonna have a, man, what they be saying? A cold day of hell, dude. Cause I'm not gonna play with you. Cause I know you not playing with me, nigga. Nah, but it's been a lot of carjackings though. Like, bruh, a lot of cars. Bruh, every day it's like 3, 4, 5 carjackings. They not even stealing like good cars. Like, they stealing anything at this point. Like, anything. It don't even matter what they take. Like, they taking Kias, Hondas, like bullshit. Like, I can see if you was actually taking something, but they taking bullshit. Like, so I already know, like, they see something of me. Like, I got nice shit. So they see something of mine. Man. And they be hitting the back of cars, and then as soon as somebody hop out, like 3-4 niggas hop out, rob you for your shit. I don't even know what's gonna happen if you get me. I don't even know. But that's not stopping me though, cause I still want my shit. Like, I still do. But it's the fact, like, bruh, it's just a lot of shit to worry about, bruh. Definitely a lot of shit to worry about. I know I'm probably wrapping y'all heads up. My bad for talking. I just be talking and thinking, bro. That's it. Y'all let me know if y'all do that sometimes. Just drive, talk, and think, bro. Talking and thinking. Put that Benz truck inside the garage for you. See how fast I caught up to that jump? Y'all let me know. Car channel will know. Car channel will know. Yes, car channel will know. Car channel. And I think I also want to make like a gun channel too. Like, I'm not gonna post on it like that often, but I am gonna post on it like every now and then. Show y'all what I got. Go to the gun range, like different stuff like that. Y'all just let me know how everything sounds. Yeah. Y'all just let me know. Y'all might be in y'all bed. Make sure you go ahead and like that video before you go to sleep. I know one of y'all about to fall asleep with this shit. Y'all hear the raindrops on the windshield. Make sure you like the video before you go to sleep, man. Make sure you subscribe too. Definitely subscribe. Appreciate y'all, every single one of y'all. And make sure y'all send me some custom drip too. Like, cause I be wanting to do that. Like, I see other YouTubers, bro, be opening up shit and they be like judging the shit. Man, I'll be grateful for everything I got, nigga. I'm grateful for everything, any and everything, nigga. I don't give a fuck what it is. But I appreciate that. Cause you take the time out your day to send me something. Man, I definitely appreciate that. Especially some custom drip, man. What? That's lovely. You can't even be mad.
Grandma and wild green from her youth. I ain't wrote man, little hoe don't touch me. I been like this in her juice. Been like this in frozen cut, 65 in it, don't filter. Ozone, ain't in cousin booth. It ain't got no soccer mom, so a plug go for us. They honey on they block with it.